Hey guys, how y'all doing? This is Yusuf with the Contrarian Daily. I want to try and make this real quick, do a recap on US30. We took some US30 trades this morning and we went long. We're able to succeed with those trades, which is great. But I want to give a forecast of what's happening, how I see the next few days playing out, to add some framework, add some structure, so you guys can consider it and add it to your trading plan if you feel fit. So with that being said, this is not financial advice, not trading advice. It's just ideas of how I see the market. So today worked out wonderfully. We want to try to repeat that moving into the tomorrow and throughout the rest of the week. So with that being said, let me zoom out a little bit so you can kind of get a better perspective of US30, SPY, where we are. So if you guys remember our last video, we talked about this area right in here being an area. So let me just back this up over here a little bit. So we're looking at this area right here. There's a little box as being a area of support and resistance where we'll see some buyers stepping in. You can see here, we take this box and we extend a little bit further. We did get some buyers stepping in over here on the 7th. So we wanted to see if some more buyers would step back in. Obviously, not that we thought we would make new highs or anything like that, but just a significant bounce. That bounce did not come. We were able to take some buys and some sells in this area, very small short buys for success, but we were looking for the pull down into this area right here. Let me just remove this so we are all tracking. Boom. For us to get into some buys again. We came here, we called buys around 7:30, 7:45 this morning, took off like a rocket, all was well. So we were really excited about that. Now, with that being said, it all sounds fine and dandy. Like what's happening moving forward, right? Okay, cool. So on the smaller time frames, you can see that we have something like a little double bottom here, right? This area right here, you can see, if I need to illustrate that for the people in the back, let me go ahead and do that. So you have this little W bottom. We call that a double bottom. And with that double bottom, we have this little neckline right here. Boom, we broke that neckline. So what I would like to see is a pullback before we continue up higher. Now, price could obviously continue higher now. There's no certainties or guarantees, but what I like to do is put trades within a certain category, certain framework of how I like to trade. I like to let the market come to me. And if it does, and it meets my risk criteria, my trading profile, I'll take it. If it doesn't, then I'll wait for the next setup. So with that being said, my first target area that I'm looking for is right up inside here on the buys. So just, playing devil's advocate, if price was to continue up right here, right now, right now it's what time? It is about 6 o'clock Central Standard Time. So we have a good 12 hours before I'm looking to get back into the market at minimum. So if I open my computer screen, I see the market's up here, then obviously the day is less attractive to me. Maybe I'll take a corrective sell down. Maybe I'll wait for a break, retest of resistance, and then continue higher. So we'll have to take it from there to see how price is reacting, consolidating, what the price action bars are, the whole 9 yards. If you have structure, price patterns, you name it, volume, momentum, all of that. So it's a lot to consider if we were here versus where we are right now. So the ideal, and ideal is huge, the ideal, quote, I'll put quotations over that, is that we pull back. I would love to see an overshoot. If you've been in my groups, I love overshoots, undershoots. So in this case, it would be an undershoot, but I love overshoots, undershoots. I love seeing market makers pull liquidity, suck liquidity, fake, head fake retail that we're going short. We're really going long, we're really going short. I use that as a springboard to get into my trades. So what I like to see is a head fake short and then come back up here, boom. So if that were to happen, boom, we're looking at maybe 450, 400, maybe more points towards upside, a beautiful trade. So we'll wait for that to play out. So that's just an idea how I actually get into my trades, my actionable moves. You have to come into one of my live trading sessions to understand what bars I'm looking for, how much risk I'm taking, what my lot sizes positions are, so you can kind of get a better framework of how to actually trade. I'm not just placing orders and waiting for things to happen. I'm actually making sure I have certain confirmations and conditions met before I take a trade. With that being said, I'm gonna try to commit to do at least one live trading a week, at least one forecast a week, and daily or every other day do some market recap so we can all kind of be on the same page as far as how the market's progressing. But again and again and again, these are ideas, frameworks. You have to have a plan, a trading strategy, how you're going to enter and exit. So a lot of people turn to indicators and oscillators, which are mostly lagging and ineffective in order to enter the market, but they have no idea how to exit the market. So with that being said, don't want to run on too long. I feel like I'm already talking too much. Having a trading strategy, how to exit the market, is just as important or more important as entering the market. Risk management is key. That's going to keep you around. So with that being said, peace, guys. I can't wait for tomorrow, and let's rock it out.